Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve a very interesting definite integral question. This type of problem tests your algebraic simplification and integral concepts, and it is commonly asked in TMUA, ISI and other entrance examinations. Okay, so the equation is integration of 9 to 16 1 by root x plus root x whole square dx minus integration 9 to 16 1 by root x minus root x whole square dx. We need to evaluate this expression now. At first glance it looks very lengthy, right? But if we use the identity smartly, then the solution becomes very easy. So recall the identity first. We know a plus b whole square is equal to what? A square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now subtract them, so you will get a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. Now this is a very important shortcut. Now compare with our question. Let 1 by root x is equal to a and b is equal to root x. Then the given expression becomes what? Integration 9 to 16 a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square dx, using the identity integration 9 to 16 4ab dx. Okay, now simplify the integrand. Now find ab. So ab is equal to what? 1 by root x into root x, that is 1. So the integral becomes 4ab, that is 4 into 1 is equal to 4. So the whole complicated expression reduces to what? Integration 9 to 16 4 dx. Right? Now this is the key simplification. Always look for the algebraic identities in such questions. Okay? Now evaluate the integral. Now integrate integration 4 dx, that is 4x. Now apply the limits, so it will become 4x 9 to 16, that is 4 into 16 minus 4 into 9, that is 64 minus 36, so this becomes 28. So the final answer for this question will be 28. Okay, now in many examination you can do it mentally. Okay, recognize the pattern first. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. So the expression becomes 9 to 16 4 dx, that is 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. So 4 into 7, that is 28. This saves a lot of time, right? Now some common mistakes students often make. First, expand both squares separately, very time consuming. Okay. Second, forget the identity. Third, make mistakes in algebra and they try the substitution unnecessarily. Okay, so always check for the algebraic patterns before integrating. Now some important exam tip. Okay, whenever you see a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square and same limits, immediately think of the identity a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, that is 4ab. Okay, this type of question is designed to test your observation power, not calculation. So I hope this solution is clear to you. The final answer for this question will be 28. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, so this is all for today. In the next class, we will solve more smart integrals shortcuts for the entrance examinations. So keep practicing and stay confident. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.